Hello, and today I will demonstrate a little program I have been writing. It's just a simple client-server program utilizing UDP and TCP. This program also utilizes some Windows 32 API calls to under the GDI 32 library and user 32 library to basically create device contexts of a window and place those device contacts into bitmaps and write the bitmaps to an alternate file format, in this case PNG. So the basics of the program is the server presents its available windows to a client via UDP socket, and the client instructs the server which window or windows to capture via UDP. Then that client receives a PNG image from the server via second TCP socket. The reason for the TCP socket, of course, is the reliability. Now, this is an example. Here we have the client. I haven't finished the whole UDP portion of the client, so temporarily I'm using netcat on a virtual machine to instruct the server what window to take a cat image of. So basically what happens is the client would say, I would contact the server via UDP and says, I want the window with the handle of 65,552. Then the server looks for that window, and if it does find that window on its system, it takes an image through the whole device contacts and bitmap functions. Once it found that image and made the image, it sends the image via TCP. Once it states that it found the image, the client opens another socket, TCP socket, and waits for the bytes to come in for that window, and then the server sends the image that way, the actual bytes. Once the bytes are all assembled by the client, it's written to disk as a file. So I'm just going to show a little demonstration here. Okay, so this actually is the client, so don't let the name server deceive you. It's a simple little socket. I'm listening on port 1337. These aren't new, these are exceptions, these are from the previous one. Again, this is just the shell program, this is just the demonstration. So you can see we're waiting for the TCP connection to come in. Now here's the actual server. So it kind of runs like a client. It's, forget the whole client-server terminology, really. Okay, so here we go. Start this up. And you can see we have a blank screen here. In the background, this program is opened with a UDP socket, waiting connections, asking for which window. Here I'll load up the UDP client from the virtual machine. It's already here. So I'm going to try to find this window. So the server sent back the UDP trying to obtain window, found the window, so that's good. Once this program found that window and took the image or the file, started sending it back to our TCP server. And there are all the bytes coming in. Each 1024 is a block, so it means, okay, we've got 1024 bytes, 1024 bytes. And it goes all the way until there's 0 bytes remaining, and that's when we can close the file stream. So there's kind of a link between the TCP stream and the file stream. The TCP stream fills up its buffer of 1024 bytes, it writes that amount to the disk via file stream, something like that. So anyway, we should have a new file of that actual window. And you can see that was just written now. January 7th, 2009, 2:03 p.m. It's 2:04 now. So let's look. This is all on the same machine, right? Better to demonstrate it going between two machines. Here we go. Should roll it. And there we go. That's just the window we took. Isn't that neat?